Okay, if anybody knows Defenders, it's us here at Acklam Cars. And what about this? Just arrived. This is a 110 D250 X-Dynamic SE in Carpathian Grey, full X-Dynamic black pack, but look at the way this car looks. 22-inch wheels, lower canards, all the black styling and arch extensions. It looks fantastic. It's only done 5,000 miles, which means that it's in a like-new condition. Sliding roof, meridian sound, electric memory seats, adaptive cruise control. This car is stunning to look at. The premium Carpathian Grey paint palette is one of the most popular colours that we can get our hands on because it gives you that subtle contrast between the black sections and the grey paint. Look at the wheels, 22-inch wheels, all-terrain tyres, steps, roof rails. It's a lovely, lovely car, this. Pricing it really, really keenly because you've got to imagine that these cars are very difficult to buy in a normal format. Then you've got the styling package with the arches, the rear spoiler, the spare wheel cover. It is a 110, so you've got lots of practicality elements in the boot space, split folding seats. The car is absolutely beautiful. And it's a 110, so it'll do anything you want it to do off-road and on-road. Lots of street credibility with these cars, especially when they look a little bit different like this. Door handles are painted. We've got keyless entry, leather and robust seating. Extra points for your phone charging in the rear there at the bottom, which is also an extra. And then you get all the specification inside that you'd want. So this car ticks the boxes because it looks great. It's a 250 horsepower 3-litre diesel. We've got warranty with Land Rover until 2027. So it's got everything going for it. Electric seat with memory, meridian sound system, adaptive cruise, digital driver cockpit, heated seats. Just a fantastic four-wheel drive, especially this time of year. This is what is selling for people like us. You know, we're in the winter time. People want four-wheel drive. They don't just want any ones. They want ones that are a little bit different. So the styling of the exterior of this car really, really helps us sell it because it makes it unique to anything else that's for sale in the marketplace. That's what's going to sell this vehicle in our experience. Premium cabin lighting as well. If you look into the door cards, you'll see, and behind the screen here, we've got the switchable ambient lighting, which is another additional feature. With 5,000 miles on, everything is in a like-new condition. Pivi Pro system offering you wireless smartphone integration, the 360 camera system, the 3D camera. Lots of cool features you'll use through your phone and on the hard drive of the car with navigation, Bluetooth, driving assistance features, everything you'd want. Digital climate control, heated front seats, heated front and rear screens, USB and USB-C inputs, including one of those, old, whatever that is, I don't even remember what it's called. Now we've got 2 keys, everything's lovely, sliding roof, black headlining. This car will sell straight away because of the things that I've already mentioned in this video. If you're interested by numbers on the screen, it's Richard. These cars don't grow on trees, so if you're interested, you've got to get in touch straight away. Thanks for watching.